In the last 24 hours, we have managed to test a total of 662 samples. You will notice that this is a new record in terms of our daily testing capacity. This is because of activation of testing facilities across the country and additional testing facilities in private facilities. Out of the 662 samples, 29 people have tested positive to the coronavirus disease. Out of this number, 28 are Kenyans, while one is a Congolese. This now brings the total number of those who have tested positive for the disease in the country to 110. Let me also add at this point that part of the disappointment is those who claim that they do not know anybody. I had a personal experience of people saying that that this is not true, it is not serious, because those they do not know of anybody in their area who has either died or been tested positive to the disease. And I want to say, this is precisely the effort we are trying to make. The effort is to ensure that you do not hear of a death and you do not hear of a positive case. It is because you do not have a positive case, because you have not heard of a death near you, is the reason why you should be absolutely careful. Please do not wait to hear of a death near you for you to realize that the disease is not a joke. By the time you are hearing of a death near you, it could well be your own death. And of course you won't hear. We have placed the 29 people that I said into our isolation facilities, and also the distribution of the new cases according to the facilities of admission are as follows. The Aga Khan Hospital recorded 3. These are the people who tested positive. People who went to Aga Khan, 3 of them. In quarantine, at the Crown Plaza Airport, 11. At the 4 Points Sheraton, 1. KISE, 2. KTI, Nakuru, 2. KMTC, 5. Kenyatta National Hospital, 1. Mathari, 1. Nairobi Hospital, 1. And Pride Inn, 2. This also tells you that those in quarantine, I am also appealing to those in quarantine to keep social distances. In fact, if there are people who should be keeping social distances, it is those in quarantine. Because you are quarantined with people who themselves could easily be positive. So if you are in a quarantine facility, please keep serious social distance. Keep serious social distance. In terms of gender, there are 13 additional males and 16 females. 23 of the confirmed cases were detected in the designated quarantine facilities. 23. While 6 are from suspected cases admitted in isolation units. The ages of the confirmed cases range from 16 to 64. Fellow Kenyans, I seek that you remain calm. I do not wish to scare you. But with the figures I have just read to you, there is no gainsaying that this is a very serious threat to our lives and to our nation. This number, I must say, is going to rise, and it is going to rise exponentially. It is important for us to note that this virus does not move by itself. It is moved by you and I.